Hi, good morning to all of you and welcome to my channel in Bank of Zoology. Today I discuss about Mendeley software and give you information about Mendeley software. In this video tutorial mostly I have discussed about how to download Mendeley software, how to create your ID on Mendeley software and how to solve your PDF on Mendeley software and how to generate your bibliography or citations through these Mendeley softwares. Hello friends. If you involve in any kinds of degree or doing or pursuing degree such as MPhil, PhD, DLit, then this video tutorial is very helpful for you. This video is also helpful for the persons who are involved in research writings or doing research partly, project work or research writing articles. Now coming on topic, Mendeley software is an important tools or software which are already present on Google. This software is used to management of reference during research writing, or it is also known as bibliography generator because it is used to generate bibliography or for the citations during research writing. Mendeley software is an important tools for the research writing or research articles. There are many softwares which are already present on Google, such as BBEX, BibDex, BibGroup, Paperpile. These all are the important software which are used to generate bibliography or to generate citations for in research. But Mendeley is one of the most important softwares on Google. Then, according to me, Mendeley is one of the important software because it is used to create easy to understand, easy to save your file on Mendeley, and easy to create or generate citations or bibliography through this Mendeley software. That one thing I inform you about Mendeley, it is a free of cost, which are some of the softwares which are already present on Google, such as BBEX, BibGroup, Paperpile. These are the costly softwares, but Mendeley is free of cost. I am also using this Mendeley software for the research writing. I am also a research scholar. I am doing PhD or from Tilka Mani Bhagalpur University. I use this Mendeley software because it is easy to create, easy to understand, and easy to solve your solve our problems. Easy to generate articles of bibliography bibliography and our research writing. That now coming on topic, and this now coming on topic.
To begin the installation of Mendeley, first of all type Mendeley over your search engine and go to the link mentioned as mendeley.com. This will bring you to its official web page. To create a new account, click on the button for the creation of the new account, enter your valid email ID and click on continue. And after continuing, to complete the registration process, give your name and family name and choose a password which you can remember for the future logins. Now click on the register button and it will give you message registration successful. Then go to the continue to Mendeley. Over the welcome page you can skip this step, but I suggest you it is appropriate that you should choose your current role and field of study and also make your profile public to join the community of the researchers provided by Mendeley and elsewhere. On the home page of your profile, you can see Mendeley is a product of Elsewhere. We will explore its more exciting feature in the upcoming section of the video. First of all, complete the installation procedure. You can import your document from your library, means your folder, or we can do that, but let us complete the installation. So now install extension for your web browser. By clicking on this button, I can download Mendeley Web Importer from Chrome Web Store. It is also available for Internet Explorer, Safari and Firefox. On the upper right corner of the web browser, we can find out shortcut of Mendeley Web Importer. Coming back to the web-based library view of the Mendeley, using this add button, we can upload our documents to the library and also create new references using web text and XML. This organize feature provides various views of our library, such as we can see our all documents, our favorite documents, our own publications, as well as our recent activity. To utilize these features offline and connecting them with the other applications such as MS Word, we need to install Mendeley Desktop. We are downloading desktop version of the Mendeley. It is also available for the Linux and Mac OS. Mendeley provides cloud storage to the papers stored in our library. We can easily access them offline using the Mendeley Desktop. I am fast forwarding this installation process because it is a well known to each and everyone and there is nothing new to explain in it. Select Run Mendeley Desktop and finish, and then log in by using your valid email ID and the password created in the beginning of this video. One last thing we have to install, that is citation plugin for the Microsoft Word. This plugin works with all new version of the Microsoft Office. I used it with Office 2013, Office 2016 and Office 2019 also. Select Do Not Show Me the message again and close. Now we have Mendeley Wave Importer and Mendeley Desktop in our system, and we are ready to add papers to our Mendeley library so that we can use them for the citation. I would like to add article from the IEEE, so I search it over the Google and directly go to its home page. And for adding this to our library, just click onto the Mendeley Wave Importer at the upper right corner of our web browser. Click on Get Started. Select Add PDF if available. PDF written in the pink color just next to the reference is an indication that PDF is available with this source of paper. From the given list of references, select most appropriate one and click onto the Add to Mendeley. For demonstration, I selected the very first one. These blue ticks with PDF and reference indicates that our document is added. To view recently added document in the Mendeley Desktop, click on the Synchronize button and you can see this document is appeared here and it is downloading also. All documents showing in the list of the Mendeley Desktop can be opened in the Mendeley itself. At the right side you can see details of corresponding document. From the notes sections you can take notes, and also you can highlight the text by selecting the text and click on the highlight button. In the notes tab we can write anything about this highlighted text. We can easily copy any text from the paper and paste it to the notes section. We can also write our findings and random thoughts while reading the paper, which will be stored on the cloud so that you can access this particular text from any devices using mobile application of Mendeley or web version of the Mendeley. To utilize all the setup done in the previous part of this video, open the MS Word application. We will copy some text from the paper added in our library, then cite it by using the Mendeley Desktop in the upcoming section of this video. To do so, copy few lines from the related work section from the paper opened in the Mendeley, then create a new blank document in the MS Word and paste these lines to the MS Word document. Arrange and edit these text according to your need. Citations usually added at the end of line of the text. So now go to the Reference tab, search for the Insert Citation button with the Mendeley logo. Mendeley Citometric is used to insert citation and change the style of the citation. Insert Citation button opens a search bar through which we can search our paper stored in the library using initials of the paper name or name of the author. Just select it and click on OK. Presently, citation style selected as APA citation style. Now we are inserting bibliography of the present citation using the Insert Bibliography button, also in the form of the present selected style, that is APA. Let us mention this bibliography as a reference and showing it as a separate section of our research paper. To utilize this best feature of the Mendeley, go to the Reference tab, select a style from the drop-down list, and I am selecting IEEE. And you can see all the citations and reference numbers changed according to the IEEE style, and it is done in a one single click. It is also possible to add more styles in our Mendeley, but I will show it in the later section of the video. While adding more papers to our library, it has also happened that the default PDF is not available with the paper reference. For this paper, RNN CNN based method for license plate recognition, again go to the Mendeley Wave Importer and wait for all the details are fetching. Select for the add PDF if available and select the appropriate reference and then click to the add to Mendeley. In this case, blue tick is appearing in front of the reference only. There is no PDF is available, and we can check it out again in our Mendeley library, synchronizing it. After synchronization, newly added document appeared in our list, but we cannot open it. In this situation, we have to download PDF separately and add it to the Mendeley library in a separate procedure. I am downloading this document directly from the IEEE because we have institute access to the IEEE. But if you are not able to access any papers of IEEE or any other sources, you can download these papers using the SCI Hub. If you want to know more about SCI Hub, then comment me. I can tell you about how to download papers using SCI Hub. Now scroll down to the details, reach up to the file section, add files and add the downloaded file. In this way, now we can open this paper in Mendeley itself, and again we can use it for the citation in our research papers. Repeating the same process which we have shown in the previous section of this video for adding the second paper in the Mendeley library. I am just fast forwarding it. Each article publisher or journal having their own style of citation. To add any specific citation style, click onto the More Style and go to the Get More Styles tab. And from here, we can search the name of the journal for which we are looking for the citation style. For example, I am searching for the journal named as Expert System with Applications. From the search results, select it and click on the Install button. In the Installed tab, you can see presently Nature Style is selected. Scroll down and reach up to the Expert System and click on the Use this style and Done. This is a demonstration of few features of the Mendeley. Using them, we can make our paper writing process very easy and handy. We are able to change any citation style on the one click, such as Expert System to IEEE and IEEE to Nature.